Hello all, we are here for one more lesson of this AutoCAD 2016 training course, and the topic for today will be the rotation of objects in Unison. So I've created this simple geometry. The idea is to create also a dynamic block to put some geometric constraints and some dimensional constraints, and we will see how to rotate these two sets of objects. So let us start by creating one block. So call it CADsoft, select objects, select these guys here. Yes, okay, perfect. And insertion point, it can be, for example, in here, no problem. Now let us open with the block editor. And let us put some geometrical and dimensional constraints. So the idea now, it is to put some constraints, some geometrical, can be the coincident, can be this point with the center of this. We can have the coincident, so the endpoint of this with the midpoint of this, midpoint of this. We can have also a coincident of the endpoint of this with the center of this. We can fix a point in here, and we can have a fix also in here. Okay, I can put now an angular from here to here. Okay, ang1, and that's it. And I can now make the same thing in here. So let us put some coincident, so endpoint of this with center of this. Sorry, the coincident, it's the endpoint of this with the midpoint of this, and finally the endpoint of this with the center of this. And now the fix, we will fix this one, and we will fix this one, and again an angular of this one to this one, and now I will put ang1. Okay, very good. Save the block, save it, here we are, and now just insert the CADsoft, here it is, and let us grip this. So I will say 45. Okay, it was not completely it was some issues here, no problem. The idea here was rotate the objects, and you see that both rotate equally. Okay, now we can change a little this thing. I will delete my block, and you've seen that I've changed the perimeter, and both rotate in just one step. But I can do this a little different, even that this will be a little messed up. But I can go to this perimeter manager, and now instead of making one equal to the other, I can say, for example, this is equal to, okay, and multiply this by minus 1. Okay, very good. And let us see what this will give you. So save it, and let us try to insert the object again. And if I grip it now, I will say 45, and they will act on opposite directions. Okay, I'm sorry for this mistake from my side, that this geometry here is not constrained, but you can see in these sides here that with just 1 per meter, one angle, both of them rotate, and they rotate in different and opposite directions. So this was the idea, to make this kind of setting that will allow you to have these rotations with just one step. I hope it was clear, even that this example of this constraint, it was not so well and on the purpose that I thought to show you.